Okay, good afternoon students. Now in today's class we will continue with chapter 1, binary subtraction. Okay, addition we have done in the last class and all the conversion we have done. Okay, now next topic is binary subtraction. For this open page number 11. The rules given in the table must be followed to perform binary subtraction. For understanding binary subtraction, you need to understand the rules. First, 0 minus 0, it's obviously 0. 1 minus 0 is 1 in the binary. Okay, 1 minus 1 is 0. And 0 minus 1, it's 1. Okay, you have to learn these rules. The number is borrowed when 1 is subtracted from 0. 10 minus 1 is equal to 1. So now I will explain you example number 1 for binary subtraction. We have to minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so follow the rules and minus 1 minus 0 it's 1, 1 minus 1 is 0 and 1 minus 0 it's 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So our answer is 0, 1, 0, 1. So it is very simple. Now take another example, example number 2. We have to minus 1, 1, 0, 0 minus 1, 1. So how can we write this? 1, 1, 0, 0. So we have to put two zeros in back of the 1, 1. Okay, now the answer is, okay, now you have to the 0 minus 1 is 1. We have learned in the rule that 0 minus 1 is 1 because we have taken the borrow from this side. Okay, if we are taking the borrow from this side, it will be 10. So it after minus 10 minus 1 it's 1. So we have taken the borrow. It there is also 0, so we can't take the borrow, and this is the 1. So one borrow is coming here. Now this 0 is will become 1 and the 1 will come here. Okay, now it is 10. So 10 minus 1 is 1. Now it is become 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, now this is become 0 because we have taken borrow from that side. So 0 minus 0 is 0 and 1 minus 1 is 1. Okay, it's simple. Now next topic is binary multiplication. The rules for performing multiplication using binary number is same as that of the decimal number. Okay, so you have to understand that this is the table of rule. So 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0 and 1 into 1 it is 1. So I will explain you the examples. Example number 1. First we have to multiply 101 by 11. So it is simple. 1 into 1 it's 1, 1 into 0 it's 0 and 1 into 1 it's 1. Now take the second one. So 1 into 1 is 1 and 1 0 into 1 and 1 into 1. So after that we have to add these numbers. So you can see 1 0 plus 1 and you have to you have to learn the rules of addition we have done in the last class. So 1 it is 1 and 0 plus 1 it's 1, 1 plus 0 it's 1 and 1. So this is the answer 1 1 1 after multiplying 1 0 1 into 1 1. So take the another example, example number 2. So we have to compute 1 1 1 1 multiply by 1 0 1. So we have to write like this. So take the first line 1. If we are multiplying by 1, it is all 4 1 is coming here. After that multiply by 0, all 4 0 will come here. 0 multiply 1 is 0. Now next, after that 1 multiplied by all 4 ones, so all 4 ones we have to write it. After that we have to add these numbers, so be careful for adding. So after add, you can see the result. It is 1 1 0, 1 plus 0 it's 1, and 1 plus 0 it's 1, and 1 plus 1 is 10. So we have to write 0 here and 1 for carry. Okay. After that 1 plus 1 is 10, and 10 plus 1 it is 11. Okay. Now we have to write 1 here and 1 for carry. So 1 plus 1 it's 10. So we have to put 0 here and 1 for carry. So 1 plus 1 is 10. So we have to write 10. So this is the binary multiplication. Okay, so next topic is binary division. The method of perform division of two binary number is same as that the decimal numbers. See the example given below. Example number 1. So we have to divide 110 by 10. So how will you do? Okay, you can see here. If we are dividing 110 by 10, so the smallest number is 11 is only 10. So question is 1 only. Okay, so we have to write 1 question here, and 10 we have to write beneath the 11. After that we will minus 1 minus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So after that in the normal division you are doing like this only. Okay, so there is no difference. So after that we have to put the 0 over here. Now it is divided by only 10. So question will be 1. Okay, and now you have to write 10 over here. After that you will minus 0 minus 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is the remainder part, this is the dividend, and this is the question. So our answer is 11. Okay, this is simple division. Now take the second example. So we have to complete 100000111 by 1001. So this can be little bit tricky, so you have to understand well. Okay, I will explain you. First we have to take the 100, 100 is also less than. So take one more 0, 1000 is also less than. So we have to take one more 0. So 10,000, less than of 10,000. Okay, for this in the normal division you are also doing, you have to put the 0 first if we are taking the more than 3 or 2 numbers. So after that question will be 1, and we have to put 1001 beneath the 10,000. So after that we will minus 1001 from the 10,000. So what is the answer? So follow the minus subtraction rule that we have done. So this is the 0 minus 1. So we have to take the borrow from that side. Okay, from this side this is also 0, this is also 0, so this is also 0. So we have to take from here. So 1 will come here. Now it will 10. So 10 minus 1 is 1, and this will be 1, and 1 minus 0 is 1, and this also be 1. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Now this is all is 0. So this is 2 0 will put here. So after that 1 we will take from the upper side. Now it is 1 1 1 1. So again we have to put here 1, and 1001 is beneath the 1111. So after that we will minus 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. After that take the another one here. 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Take the another one. After that 1 minus 1 is 0, 0, 0, and 1 minus 1 is also 0. So this is the remainder, and this is the dividend, and this is the question. Okay. So children, you have to do practice of all these sums in your rough copy, and I will send you the PDF sheet of all the rest of the questions. So you have to do that question and these examples in your copy. So I will not explain you the sheet because I have already explained you the examples in the video. You have to write only these examples in your copy and do the practice of all the sums. Okay, now we have completed the chapter. In the next class, I will give you the extra examples of binary subtraction, division and multiplication. So you have to do the practice of all that questions in your rough copy. Okay children, now that's all for today's class. Goodbye.